Now, the Telangana government has confirmed that they will be hosting the Miss World pageant. And there's a huge controversy over this as the BRS has questioned where the money will come from. 200 crores, according to the BRS, will be splurged on Miss World. And so you've got the BRS questioning priorities of the Telangana government, accusing Revanth Reddy of wasting public money. This is coming, remember, at a time when you have the Telangana Chief Minister saying they don't have money to pay government employees' salaries. And that's why you've got BRS questioning how suddenly the Telangana government is 200 crores. Now, in fact, a political showdown playing out after the announcement made by Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy that Telangana is hosting Miss World this time. And while, of course, Chief Minister Revanth Reddy has called it a big opportunity to show off Telangana, to show off what the state offers to the world, you've got politics playing out with the BRS questioning why so much money is being splurged on an event. Abdul Bashir is joining us live with more details on this. Abdul, you've got, of course, questions being raised by the BRS saying what's the need to host Miss World and spend 200 crores on it?
Well, yes, the BRS party, after announcement by the Telangana Chief Minister at India Today conclave about Miss World event being hosted in Hyderabad, the BRS party has slammed the Congress government, stating what is the need amid this financial crisis that event with an expenditure of estimated around 200 crores to be hosted by the Telangana government. Now, here the representatives of the government and the Congress party had stated that this is an international event and there is a lot of hard work has been done by the Chief Minister to bring this event to Hyderabad, where the whole world will be watching here. And when it comes to expenditure, there were no comments by the leader on the expenditure that will be incurred by for the Miss World event. Now, when the KTR had questioned about the race that was held here, Formula E race.
That's right. So you've got the BRS also raising the fact that a Formula E race was held in Telangana, which the Congress had questioned. So they're saying, how is that not okay, but this okay? Let's play out for you exactly what Revanth Reddy had said at the India Today conclave. He confirmed that Telangana would be hosting Miss World.
72nd Miss World competitions are going to happen in my Hyderabad. हिंदुस्तान में दूसरे बार, पहले बार मुंबई में हुआ एक बार, दूसरे बार अब मई मंथ में अभी मिस वर्ल्ड कॉम्पिटिशन्स हैदराबाद में होने वाले. तो मिस वर्ल्ड कॉम्पिटिशन जब हैदराबाद शहर में हो रहा है, why can't Olympics?
Chief Minister is saying that there is financial crunch. He said he'll give all the accounts to the employees. They can decide whether the DA can be paid through those amount or the salaries can be paid.
See, that is true because some DAs are pending from the last government. In last 10 years, they couldn't pay the DAs to the employees. Whereas the employees are asking, and our Chief Minister is committed to fulfill the DAs and whatever the PF for the employees have to come. He'll definitely is trying and working on it because the lagging, what in the previous government, they have made a debt of around 7 lakh crores and they have pushed that debt to our government. Our Chief Minister is working relentlessly and he's trying to clear the debt, and at the same time he's working on it and he's paying the salaries on 1st of every month. At the same time, he wants to clear the DAs also, what is pending.
On one side, the Chief Minister in India Today conclave has said that there is no financial crisis and the things are going well. On the other hand, we see he's saying in the council that it is very difficult to pay the salaries.
See, in India Today conclave also, our Chief Minister said that last government in the Chandrasekhar Rao's regime, they have made a debt of 7,15,000 crores. After our government coming into the power, we are trying to clear off those debt, and at the same time we are fulfilling the promises which are being done by the Congress government.
Okay, Abdul Bashir is with us for more details on that. So, questions right now being asked. On one hand, you have the Telangana government saying we have no money to pay government employees' salaries, and on the other, 200 crores reportedly, Abdul, being spent on this Miss World pageant. And while it's great because this kind of money being put in obviously also ensures returns in any such big event, puts the spotlight really on what a state is capable of. In this particular case, there's politics over the fact that the Congress had questioned previously why Formula E races are being held in Telangana, which is equally a big, huge global event.
Well, when we spoke to the Congress leader about the same question that they've raised during the Formula E race, he had stated that they are never against the Formula E race. That was an event that had been organized in Hyderabad. It was good for the people of Hyderabad. But the procedure that was taken or that was acquired was not correct. That was not correct. That is only the problem that had led to the Formula E race lapse, and that has also created losses to the state government. That is the reason an investigation has been called in. The Congress government was never against the Formula E race, but the procedure that was followed was incorrect.
Just stay with me. Khaliqur Rahman of the BRS is joining us on this broadcast. Mr. Khaliqur Rahman, what's wrong with Telangana hosting Miss World? It's a great moment of pride for the state. Apologies, we've lost that connection with Khaliqur Rahman. We will get you a reaction from the BRS in just a bit. But let's also put the focus really on this entire controversy, on what really the BRS's grouse is. This is a big event that Telangana will be hosting, and reportedly after the government pushed hard to ensure that Telangana gets to host the Miss World pageant, but the BRS is saying 200 crores will be spent on this. Why did you have an issue previously with the Formula E racing event being held? Because that too was a similar global event that had taken place. So a political showdown that's playing out right now. It was in fact Chief Minister Revanth Reddy who'd confirmed that we're going to be seeing the Miss World pageant in Telangana this time. He'd confirmed this at the India Today conclave, and now taking to social media, he's posted the video that you see there on the right of your screens to confirm that yes, the Miss World pageant will be happening in Telangana, which is of course a huge opportunity for the state, but also a whole lot of politics that's playing out on this. Bringing back Abdul Bashir on this broadcast, really on this entire controversy. So while on one hand you've got Abdul, questions about whether there's funds that the government really has to pay government employees for their guarantees, it's a splurge of 200 crores that the opposition is questioning right now.
Well, Akshita, one thing that the government or the Chief Minister had clearly stated and the party has stated is that the salaries are being paid on every first of every month. Now here, first of every month, the government employees are receiving salaries, but it is difficult, that too because it is being borrowed. 4,000 crore of borrowings from the RBI is what is the Chief Minister has said, after which that the salaries of government employees is being paid on first of every month. Now the question here is, there is a difficulty in paying the DAs and the pending DAs that have been there since the past BRS government, is what the Congress leaders have to say. The huge financial burden that the BRS government has levied on the Congress government after it came to power is leading to this financial crunch, is what the Congress leaders are saying. Now here, salaries here are being paid on every first. Now Congress leaders are also questioning the 2020, 2021 and 2022 where these government employees were paid salaries in phases by the BRS government, is what the Congress leaders are claiming. Now here the Congress leader Rohit Reddy has stated that...
Just stay with me, Abdul. Let's get a reaction from the BRS. Krishank is joining us on this broadcast with his view on what's playing out. Krishank, if the Miss World pageant is being held in Telangana, I'd view it as a great opportunity for the state. That this is a moment that, the spotlight is on the state. So why is the BRS questioning it?
Well, we are not against such world-class competitions going on, but double standards and hypocrisy by Congress government definitely has to be exposed. The Congress was against the Formula E being conducted here in Telangana. They opposed, they did dharnas, they filed cases. They said, what is the use of this Formula E? With the fact was, Formula E gave 700 crores revenue, number one. Number two, you say that there is financial crunch. You say that employees wouldn't get salaries. You do not want to pay the pensioners what they have to get. The loan waiver is pending. Right to Bharosa. The Congress government says they don't have money, and now you want to spend 200 crores for the fashion competition. How is it justified? When you question for politics other governments when they conducted a sports competition, you blame, you campaign against it, you make politics out of it, you file cases on those government leaders, those ex-ministers, you pull in ACB for that, ED for that, you try to tarnish image, saying that this competition is not necessary. And now you say, this was their slogan. They said, we do not want sports tracks, we want good roads, was the Congress party's slogan. They were against it. They went to the court, they protested on the streets. Now, how is it justified to spend 200 crores for a
so you're saying that this is the hypocrisy of the Congress that's been exposed. Thank you, Krishank, for joining us here on India Today with your view on this.